God, thank the movie. Right here, I think his battery died. I mean, her battery. My fault. Thank you to Glowing Bird for helping me create this. But to be continued. We're not finished yet. This is just the start of it. But thank you to all of you who have been helping me. And Glowing Bird is probably about to disappear. So yeah, thank you everyone for helping out. And shout out to Glowing Bird. She doesn't have a channel, but she did help me. She is my main movieist now. But yeah, thank you guys. And to be continued. Get over here, punk. There's nowhere else to run. Now, since you decided to run, I'm going to give you a good beating. You know, get out.
What? I don't know. Actually, I do know. Tanning.
I'm taking you away now.
Tanning.
You know, there's nowhere else to run, so you might as well just give up. You can't do anything anyways.
I'm not giving up.
Please, have mercy. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry, please.
No.
How did you do that?
No reason. I didn't even know I could do that.
Wait, you
So
didn't?
let's see. Wrong way.
No, there's a train! Wait. No.
Okay, let's just put him in here. Get him in.
What did you do to me?
You bumped your head. At least that's what I told authorities.
What authorities? Where am I? You can't keep me here forever.
Hospital.
Wait, we're in the we're in the hospital. I can't pay for this. I can't. My mom is lonely.
Well, you're gonna have to.
Please, no. Please don't go. Little does he know, I will get my revenge. I'm not letting him hurt people like me.
Oh, let's go.
Time to stop all this evil. Go.
You're done for, buddy.
I'm gonna put a stop to this evil. And you too! I thought I put an end to you. I'm gonna put an end to all the evil you have caused. No! No, not again.
The same tragedy again.
Yeah, you're right, but not for me. He's knocked out. I think I put an end.
No, I never am.
What? What? No! Wait, no, I can make it. No!
What have I done?
Oh, my head.
It's gone.
What? It's gone? What's gone? The train? Why'd you save me? I bullied you. Why?
You bullied me. I didn't want to put an end to it like that. I wanted to put an end to it instead of killing you. I wanted to be kind. This is only a once in a lifetime thing. Don't expect me to do it again.
That was all weird. Man.